This company is reshaping whole Rajasthan renewable energy landscape with an ambitious 10,000 crore investment plan. It has achieved an impressive approximately 183% revenue growth over the last fiscal year. And in the last 2 years, its share price has skyrocketed by 775%, which reflects the market confidence in this transformational vision. Stay tuned in the video to learn more about the stock. Hello and welcome to another series of Noisemaker where we cut through the noise to uncover the hidden gems in the stock market. I am Bhumika Jain, Equity Research Associate at Destolat Advisory, and in today's segment, we'll spotlight two companies making noteworthy moves in their respective industries. Please note that this is not any buy or sell recommendation. Please conduct your research before making any investment. Today's lineup is RMC Switchgear Limited and Oriana Power Limited. First company, RMC Switchgear Limited. This company manufactures electrical equipments, which include smart meter enclosures, distribution boxes, and panels. This company has a production capacity of 36,000 MT and has diverse clients in state utilities, EPCs, PSUs, and quality management also. This company has recently announced the establishment of 1 gigawatt peak solar module manufacturing plant in Jaipur with a capex of 100 crore rupees. This move will reduce the reliance on external suppliers for the company, which ensures a greater control over its supply chain. Financially, revenue for the first half of FY25 was 105 crore, which is 24% growth from the second quarter of FY24. This company is targeting a 30% CAGR growth over the next 3 to 5 years, driven by the expanding renewable energy portfolio. Let's come to the next company now, that is Oriana Power Limited. Oriana is a prominent provider of solar energy solutions to industrial and commercial customers in India and Africa. This company on an aggregate has implemented 70 plus projects and served 30 plus clients. Oriana Power has recently signed an MOU with the government of Rajasthan to explore the 1000 crore investment in the renewable energy projects, which directly aligns with the company's vision to establish itself as the leader in clean energy infrastructure. In the first half of FY25, company reported a revenue of 360 crores rupees, 12.9% QOQ growth, with the EBITDA margin steady at 20.8%. Currently, company is targeting 6 gigawatt EPC capacity, that is 6 gigawatt in engineering, procurement, and construction. That's it for the today's companies, but let's review the previous stocks. First is Bejel Projects Limited, which we covered at 252 rupees on the 13th November, now is at 288 rupees, up by 14%. Then is Nesco Limited, which we covered at 1050 rupees on 13th December, now at 1002 rupees, down by 4.5%. Then is Siaram Silk Mill Limited, which we covered at 849 rupees on 13th of December, now at 1126 rupees, up by 32%. Then is Praveg Limited, which we covered at 758 rupees on 10th of December, now at 756 rupees, which is down by 0.4% approximately. Then is Roto Pumps Limited, which we covered at 303 rupees on the 9th of December, which is now at 323 rupees, up by 6.6%. Now let's summarize the whole video. RMC Switchgears Limited announced a 100 crore solar module manufacturing plant to strengthen its renewable energy portfolio, and Oriana Power Limited signed a 10,000 crore MOU with the Rajasthan government to advance the renewable energy initiatives. That's a wrap for today's Noisemaker. If you missed out on any details, you can check the Noisemaker PDF in the description below. Thank you.